Starbaker. Just getting some rest.
Georgie is relying on classic flavours to retain her Starbaker status.
Oh, blood is everywhere.
But Nellie is adding a cheeky twist.
It's bloody oranges. Because I can say it, can I?
Nellie's blood orange tarts will be filled with a hazelnut and almond frangipane and topped with Italian meringue.
How good does she look today?
I know, I love it. You look like someone off the Guess Who board.
I think it's a compliment.
There, right?
Who chose this lovely outfit then?
My sunshine.
Sunshine.
He loves Paris, and he says, Mom, you have to wear my hat. So that's his hat. Yeah, so that's my lucky hat, so I better go through, yeah?
I'll try not to spread this around.
Cotton for the underside. I had to cut it up quite a bit to get it to fit because it is 1.9 meters by 1.9 meters. It's a square. It's that size because I wanted it to be able to double over in my van if it's just me in there, or it's enough for both of us.
And I chose a size too big, so I wouldn't say that I have wide shoulders. I would say that I have very standard shoulders for someone that's 5'8". I do have a very full bust though. Not my upper bust, but my full bust. There's a huge difference between my upper bust and full bust. And since I have knit this sweater, which was a few years ago, I have